Hello everybody, lovely day today, innit? What better thing to have today than a bit of gammon? So that's what we're having. We're having a bit of gammon, pineapple, I might even have an egg, I think I will, on top of it. And I'm going to do Hairy Biker Dave's air fryer chips. Show you what we're going to do all together. This is the gammon I got it from Aldi, £1.99. It's not the best, but it's good enough. There's only me. Yeah, no one else is in, so I'm going to do my own, just my own. So there's the gammon, £1.99, as I said. Some eggs there, if I have them, I might do. And these are the chips, I prepared them to start with. If you can see that, I've done two jacket potatoes, you know, the big ones. Cut them up, got all the starch off, filled them back up with water, and salted the water. So that's that. I've got a pineapple, which we're going to cut up. So it's quite simple. First thing I want to do before anything else, I want to get my chips dried. So we'll do that first. I'll empty the water. We'll get some kitchen towel on and we'll get the homemade chips on. Now I usually parboil my chips, but he doesn't, so I'm going to try his way. I was wondering whether it'd be a bit hard in the middle, but this is what he says anyway, so this is what we're going to try. And we'll get all them patted down and dried up before we do anything else. Now we'll get the chips into the bowl. We want a tablespoon of olive oil. Give it a mix. Now the gammon don't take long to cook, does it? So we'll get the fries, well, the chips done first. Now we're on to the pineapple. I haven't got a pineapple corer, so I will try and just cut the middle bit out somehow. Cut the top and the bottom off. Could have bought the rings, the tins, but this was only 60p up Aldi, so I thought, oh, I'll get a fresh one. And we'll take the skin off. I won't be using all this anyway. Now I'll probably have it as to pick. Just cut some of that off the bottom. And I'll just tidy it up a little bit. As I say, it's not how it looks. It's all in the taste, isn't it? It's all in the taste. Well, I'm going to cut a couple of rings. Like that, mind you, I might as well cut them all up, mightn't I? I can do that later. Who likes a bit of a fried pineapple? Oh yes. And I will just cut the middle out of some. Just get a little knife and cut round to get the core out. That's broke. I haven't broken all. Oh well. Oh well, I'll do one more. So we'll get it right this time. Then we've got a core, it's a lot easier, isn't it? I haven't. I could have used a cutter, I suppose, or something, couldn't I, in the middle? Right, that's me, never think beforehand. There you go. And I just cut the other one that I broke into little bite sizes, and I can just fry the two up, can't I? That's then prepared. Now, air fryer on. Right, now the way Dave, the Hairy Biker, does this, he goes air fry, and he does 25 minutes. Shake every 10, like 10, 20, and then leave it for the last 5. So that is what we're going to do. There they are, we'll get them in. Turn back on again, do it again. Air fry, 25. And they're doing. And while them chips are doing, I'm going to get my gammon. I'm just going to pat it dry first. If I can open it. I can't get it, guys. Can't get it at all. There we go. I'm just getting the one out, as I say, for now. Oh, look, it's all broke, look. Oh, I'm going to get the other one out. See, that one's broke. I'm going to use that one. Everything's been pear-shaped. How do we, mate? Pat it dry. I'm not going to salt it because it's smoky anyway. Right, the chips have been 10 minutes. Let's have a look. Give them a shake. Oh yes, looking nice. I know they look brown, but will they look soft in the middle? That's the question. Without parboiling them. We're going to find out, ain't we? I can go back in. Now onto the gammon then. Got my pan heating up. I put a little bit of oil in the bottom. And we're just going to get it in and fry it up. Well, I'm going to turn it over, let's have a look. Oh yes, looking nice, looking nice. We're going to get the pineapple chunks in. Pineapple ring and pineapple, well, sort of a ring. Sort of a pineapple ring. Well, there's the gammon and the, what they're called, pineapples. I'm just warming my pan up for my eggs. And the fries have got 7 minutes, so we're nearly there. Now we're on to the egg. Now I cook my eggs quite slow. I like to do them slower. Now put a bit of salt on the egg and a little bit of pepper. Egg is done. Looking nice. Gonna dish the egg up now on top of the gammon. Just have a look at my egg. A nice little bit of a crunch around the edge. Perfect. And the fries are done. There we go, guys. Airy Biker fries. Airy Biker Dave's fries. They look nice, don't they, them? They look really nice. Let me dish some out. There we go. Turn that off. Oh yes. Gammon, egg, bit of pineapple, some salad and some Airy Biker fries. Yes, let's try it. And there is a topside view. Oh yes. Now I'm going to put a bit of salt on the fry. No vinegar for me. Right, let's try these chips first. Oh yeah, they're better than mine. Lovely and soft in the middle. They're perfect. No need parboiling. I've always thought you had to parboil them, I did. They're bang on. So I'll be doing them in future. Lovely. Let's have a gammon with the egg, a bit of yolk, if I can show you. I'm going to put you down and show you. Well, I don't know if it'll fall. Oh yes. Nat's just come back, so I'll have to do hers in a minute. Fries are done now, I've just got to re-eat the fries, that's all. For cheap gammon, for $1.99, I don't think you can go wrong. A little bit of gristle, but for the price. Pineapple. Still nice and juicy. Sweet, very sweet. And a bit of salad. Try it all together. Yeah. Say them potatoes, the baked potatoes, I think it was 23p each from Aldi. And I've done loads of chips, it's in there. Gammon $1.99, egg I had in, and a bit of salad, and pineapple was 60p. Nothing like having something like that on a nice hot day. Simple, delicious, and a refreshing bit as well. And them Harry Barker chips are delicious. I'm not lying. So I'm doing mine in future. Cut them up into chips. Run them under the water, get rid of the starch, which I always do anyway. And leave them to soak in salty water. Then dry them and then put them straight in. Bang on. As I say guys, I'm going now, I'm going to eat it before August cold. I'm the old food guy. Just a like, just a subscribe. Till the next time. See you later. Bye bye.